we're showcasing here production simulation solutions. So we're Visual Components together with our offline programming partner Delphi, and we're basically meeting companies and people from the UK industry and help them to migrate towards the Industry 4.0. So boosting up the layout design, moving from the kind of digital drawing board towards the real production. And it can be helping the companies to make the layout, make it work, check the capacities, but also make the robots work and match everything together in one piece of software and bring that to reality. And what we've seen already for a couple of years in the UK, that there is now, I think, a big buzz around this kind of smart industry or Industry 4.0 solutions, and we're coming in at the right time. So people want to change the way of production, and they want to do things in a smarter way to stay in the competition. And that's why we're here, to help them in that.